Okay, fire cider, if you've never heard about it, you might want to check into it. It's an all-natural remedy for colds and flus. I just started this one today, so there's not really a wrong way to make it. You just put, it's like the combination of every home remedy you could ever think of. So you, in your jar like that, you cut up onion, garlic, lemon, orange, cinnamon sticks. You can do turmeric, ginger. I did some rosemary, thyme. Anyhow, you can find some recipes. Like I said, there's not really one specific recipe you have to stick with. And put all that in your jar, chop it up. Lemons, limes, oranges, did I say those? Anyhow, chop them all up, put them in your jar, and then fill the jar with apple cider vinegar and set it on your counter. It's shelf stable. You let it sit on the counter and you shake it every day or so for about 4 to 6 weeks. After 4 to 6 weeks, you strain out all the chunks of, the onion and orange, and what you're left with is a juice like this. And sometimes it separates, you just shake it up a little more. Horseradish, there's also horseradish in it. Like I said, there's no specific recipe you have to do. There's tons of variations. But this liquid, what you're left with, is called fire cider. You take 1 to 2 tablespoons 2-3 times a day when you have a cold or flu. And holy cow, oh, there's also cayenne pepper. And the first time I made it, I put jalapenos in it as well. Holy cow, there's a reason it's called fire cider, but it will clear your sinuses in like seconds. Now they do say if spicy foods give you heartburn, you probably don't want to do this, but if you don't really get heartburn, you'll be fine. It's all natural. You can add, once you strain it, you can add honey to it, which I usually do as well. It kind of tastes and smells like curry to me. It doesn't taste or smell bad, but there's a burn, but it's not like a salsa spicy burn, but it is a burn in the back of your throat. My sister told me it's kind of like an alcohol burn. I don't drink alcohol, so I wouldn't know, but anyhow, so try that out if you're looking for a home remedy, something easy you can make. Like I said, there's no wrong or right way to make it. Just do your apple cider vinegar. It's shelf stable, and it's pretty amazing. It will clear your sinuses in like seconds.